Welcome to ASL Interactive. 4 rounds, 10 summer signs each. Sign along and count your score. Round 1. Sandy shoreline where the waves roll in. Beach. You do this to stay cool in the water. Swim. The bright star that gives us a tan. Sun. Splash it, drink it, can't skip it. Water. How July feels at high noon. Hot. A frozen treat that melts fast in the heat. Ice cream. Bigger than a lake, salty and wide. Ocean. Hop aboard. It floats you across the water. Boat. The backyard spot for cannonballs. Pool. Calm, fresh water, perfect for a summer dock. Lake. Round 4. Summer skies. Beach day. Round 2. Big green outside, pink and juicy inside. Watermelon. Tilt the cup and stay cool all day. Drink. The classic patty flipped on every grill. Hamburger. It gets the bun at every ballpark. Hot dog. Yellow rose you eat right off the cob. Corn. Cheesy slices everyone fights over. Pizza. Fizzy, bubbly, and ice cold from the cooler. Soda. Sweet, round, and best with chocolate chips. Cookie. The healthy rainbow on the picnic table. Fruit. A meal on a blanket in the park. Picnic. Round 4. Summer skies. Cookout cravings. No work, no school, just time off. Vacation. Going place to see the world. Travel. It takes off, flies high, and lands far away. Airplane. Check in, get a key, enjoy your stay. Hotel. The whole crew on the road trip. Family. The buddy you bring on every adventure. Friend. What kids do all summer long. Play. What summer is all about. Fun. The feeling when school lets out. Happy.
The hottest season of the year.
Summer. Round 4. Summer skies. Round 3. Vacation mode. Drops that crash the pool party. Rain. Dark clouds, big wind. Take cover. Storm. 7 colors arched after the rain. Rainbow. You can't see it, but it flies your kite. Wind. Sunny or stormy? Check it before you go. Weather. Check it to see how hot it gets today. Temperature. Not hot, not cold, just cozy. Warm. The evening breeze after a hot day. Cool. Pop it open for rain or shade. Umbrella. They light up the sky on the 4th of July. Fireworks. Round 4. Summer skies. How did you do? Comment your score below. Thanks for playing. Subscribe and comment your score below.